Okay, suppose there's a question in the paper and they're asking you find a derivative of fx is equal to x square using definition. Now when they say using definition, you have to use the first principles. The first principles is the formula with the limit that h tends to 0. So in the IB, is there in your formula booklet? But if you're a non-IB student, then you have to learn that formula. Now what you need to do in this case is the following. Your fx is given to be x squared. So first thing is I'll find fx plus h. So I replace the x by x plus h the whole square. Then I copy the formula, or the formula that I've learned, I write it down. This is the formula. The formula is f dash x is equal to limit as h tends to 0 f x plus h minus fx upon h. Now it's extremely important that we write down limit as h tends to 0. The whole idea is you're taking the second point as close as possible to the first point. That's what your h tending to 0 does. So you're taking 2 points on the x-axis, x and x plus h, but your second point you're taking as close as possible. That's what this formula means. Then you substitute limit as h tends to 0, your fx plus h is x plus h the whole square upon h. Expand, cancel off x squared. Now if you observe, I'm leaving limit as h tends to 0 as it is till here. What you need to do is you have to try to cancel out the h. So what you need to do is try to cancel out the h by removing common or something of that sort. The whole reason is that h is a very small value. H is approaching 0. It's not equal to 0. So now once I remove it common like this, I cancel it off. And I can write a reason as h is approaching 0, h is not equal to 0. That's the reason of my cancellation. You cannot cancel zeros. Then you write your 2x plus you substitute your h is 0. Now in this case, when I substitute h is 0, it simply means that it's a very small value which can be neglected. Correct? So I'm writing 0 just to show that. So generally we'll do that. And your answer will be 2x. That means the derivative of the function x squared is 2x.